This is a Frosty Factory 232W frozen margarita slushy machine. Came out of a closed coffee shop. This is the dispenser. There's normally a tray, I think, that sits down here. It's called a drip tray or something like that because this is the overflow. So it drips into this tray. We didn't get it. These are the drainage hoses that sit on the back here. Sit right here. But you can see this is a 232W. It's 208 single phase. Actually have it running at 220, but same thing. And I'll let you see it running. Hang on a second. So I think if you put it on this, it fills. I don't have the water hooked up, so we'll just put it on. You can see that spins. This lights up, and the other thing you got to do is listen for the compressor, which just kicks on. And that's it. I'm not sure. I think this switches it between, from what I was reading, slush and you want it for something else. And then that's off, and then this is the fill. So if I had water hooked up to it, the fill valve would kick on. It's got a I think it's a 620R plug. I had to get this adapter, but let's see it. That's the plug. That's the adapter. And that's the unit. It's definitely going to have to be truck shipped. It's over 200 pounds. But overall, it's a nice piece. If you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thank you. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to give it a quick once over. Sit on these feet, by the way.